The courtroom was quiet enough to hear the hum of the overhead lights when 18-year-old Tyler Branson swaggered in, hands in his pockets, chewing gum like he owned the place. Everyone else rose as Judge Marsha Ellington entered, but Tyler remained slouched, rolling his eyes when the bailiff nudged him to stand. Judge Ellington, known for her calm authority and razor-sharp mind, glanced at the boy with a raised brow as she took a seat. Tyler was facing charges for reckless driving, property damage, and resisting arrest, serious enough that any normal teen would have been terrified. But Tyler was anything but. His father, a wealthy real estate developer, had bailed him out within an hour and whispered assurances that they didn't need to worry about some small town judge. So when Judge Ellington asked Tyler to step forward, he smirked and muttered loudly, "My dad can buy you." The courtroom gasped. The prosecutor froze mid-sentence. Even the bailiff blinked in disbelief. Judge Ellington, however, did not flinch. Instead, she closed the case file softly, removed her glasses, and looked directly at Tyler, as if she were examining a spoiled child who had never been told the word no. She requested a 10-minute recess. When court resumed, Tyler appeared a bit less confident, shifting nervously as his father sat behind him red-faced. Judge Ellington explained that while wealth could buy many things, it could not buy respect, integrity, or the American justice system. She then announced she had reviewed Tyler's record during recess, 3 school suspensions, 2 prior warnings from officers, and a sealed juvenile citation that his father had quietly handled. With each revelation, Tyler shrank deeper into himself. Finally, Judge Ellington delivered her decision. Tyler's bond was revoked for contempt of court, verbal misconduct, and demonstrating clear disregard for legal authority. He would be taken into custody immediately and held until his formal sentencing hearing. His father shot to his feet, shouting about influence, donations, and attorneys. But Judge Ellington silenced the room with a firm strike of her gavel. "This court is not for sale," she said. The bailiff stepped forward, placing handcuffs around Tyler's trembling wrists as the boy stared at the floor, stunned that his wealth could not shield him. As he was led away, Judge Ellington added, "Perhaps 30 minutes in a courtroom was all you needed to learn that real power comes from character, not money." And for the first time in his life, Tyler had nothing to say.